I invite us to remain standing. You can put down your hymnals. If you have people close to you, you can connect in that outstretched arms, always in welcome, holding one another. Life is precious. There we go. Sometimes it takes work to reach one another. And now, in our comings and our goings, may the light of love shine upon us. Out from within us, be gracious unto us and grant us peace. For this is the day we are given. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Amen.